Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the Dito app and going straight to Wallet. Check the numeric balance at the top so you know what you can spend. Once done, make sure your phone has mobile data or Wi-Fi because the app verifies in real time. If you haven't completed registration or KYC, you must finish that first. Otherwise, payments and transfers are blocked. This gets you ready to use the load immediately and prevents failed transactions later. Next, decide how to use your load. Send to another number, buy prepaid load for contact, or convert to wallet services. You tap send or buy load, pick the recipient or provider, and enter the amount. The app shows fees and limits so you understand cost and limits. Choose wallet balance as the payment source or switch to a linked card if needed. Review the transaction summary carefully, then tap confirm. The app will process and notify you on success. Finally, verify the result by opening transaction history. Save the reference number for records and future disputes. If the transfer failed, check 3 things first: your visible balance, your internet connection, and that the recipient number or provider details are correct. Make sure you didn't hit daily limits or insufficient funds. If issues persist, capture a screenshot, note the ref hash, and contact Dito support. This lets them trace the payment quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.